Hello, good evening. My name is Judith Farnon. I live in Ward 4 and 5. I moved to Broomfield 4 years ago after living in Westminster to raise my 3 children in a safe, welcoming community. I was born in Mexico and immigrated legally with a work visa to the United States over a decade ago. I attended your focus group on March 2nd, and as I wanted to hear what the city council had to say, and I was a little confused. The message of the focus group was to get approval for Broomfield as a designated immigrant-friendly community, which it was mentioned would be modeled on Dayton, Ohio. English is my second language, so maybe I missed your point, but in my experience, Broomfield, Colorado, as I know it today, is already a welcoming community to all people. I met many friends here in Broomfield, whether at the Polder Direct Center or sharing traditional dishes at house parties, and I've never seen or heard any disparaging remarking about my nationality in Broomfield. Broomfield, Colorado is truly a welcoming place, as is it, and I wouldn't change a thing. Everyone who I met loves to live here. Many of my immigrant friends in Broomfield who have moved to Broomfield had to work very hard to afford to live here. Universally, when I talk to them about your plans to designate Broomfield as an immigrant-friendly community, they change their positive tone about the city they live to a negative one. One who I know, a small business owner of Mexican descent, said he will leave if implemented. All of us who immigrated legally and live in Broomfield will resent the city handing out business grants, jobs, and benefits to people who have broken our laws by cruising into the country illegally. I know this because I'm deeply involved in the immigrant community here in town. If you had spoken to us instead of just assuming what we wanted, you will know this as well. We all had to work very hard to obtain legal status in the United States. They had to work to build their business based on meeting market needs and their merit. No handouts from the tax-paying citizens of Broomfield, and without any special help that you now want to implement. We all feel your proposal to designate Broomfield as an immigrant-friendly community is profoundly unfair and downright insulting based on our experience of living the American dream by pulling ourselves up by our bootstraps. In closing, what the hardworking immigrant community wants is Broomfield to focus on what has made it great in the past, a commitment to our police and firefighters who help enforce our laws and keep us safe. A city that focuses on improving our infrastructure, both physical and digital, like the BREX website, or to give more spots in Camp Explorer for parents that rely on this affordable summer care instead of the latest fad. A city that prioritizes our family and neighbors. Thank you.